Hi, welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the binary tool in IDCube Pro. This feature performs classification of the dataset using a binary method. Each pixel above a certain threshold is assigned a value of 1, indicating in white color, while each pixel less than a threshold level has a value of 0, indicated in a black color. It calculates the area above the threshold. The classified image can be saved as a labeled file for machine learning purposes. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Machine Learning tab and click on Create Binary Image. The calculation will start immediately and produce the binary matrix with the histogram. You can then move the boundaries on the histogram panel to set new thresholds. In this case, the leaves are the white value, which means they're above the threshold. Now, the background is what is most important and assign the value of 1. You can also click the Reset button, which will get the original image back. And then if I wanted to filter out the background and only have the leaves, and only have part of the leaves, I can keep moving the histogram accordingly. You can then press the Save the Label button to generate a PNG file in your specified directory, and automatically a .map file will be created as well. These files will be needed for the machine learning applications. You'll click Save the Label, type in the name, and click Save. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.